Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send money from Google Play account to FamPay. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official Google support forum. So this guy asked whether if you can send Google Pay money, if you can transfer it to FamPay account. So according to Google support expert, that's not possible. Your Google Play balance cannot be refunded or transferred to another account. And yeah, if you just click on this link, what you can do with your balance is you can buy and subscribe to content. You can use Play balance to purchase YouTube content. You can combine your Google Play balance with another form of payment or promotion if your balance is less than your purchase amount. So limitations are Play balance cannot be used to purchase hardware in the G Store. You can use your balance to buy content. It's not possible to share or transfer content between accounts on Google Play account. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.